Hello. So you're trying to show that the current supplied by the battery is 0.83 amps. So what you got to do is you need the formula V equals IR. V stands for voltage, I stands for the current, and R stands for resistance. Resistance is measured in ohms, as I can see in this diagram. Current is measured in amps, which is A, and V is measured in volts. Okay, so in this question, it already gives you volts, which is 15. Great. It's pretty much asking you to find what the amps are, and you should get 0.83 amps. But let's try to solve how we get this. And for resistance, there's actually two parts. The first part over here, so this part is in series, but the other two parts are in parallel. So let's deal with these two parts in parallel first. So for parallel, to solve for resistance in parallel, what you have to do is you need the formula 1 over RT, so R total. So the total is going to be equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. R1, R2 will just stand for the resistance that are in parallel. So in this case, you're going to get 1 over 12 plus 1 over 12. From here, you're going to get, I'll continue over here. So this will give you, so 1 over R total gives you 2 over 12. From here, you would cross multiply. So 12 times 1 equals R total times 2. This gives you 12, because 12 times 1 is 12. And RT here, so you have R total times 2, divided by 2, divided by 2. So this means that R total equals 6, because 12 divided by 2 is 6 for now. So now, earlier I said that this top part is in series, right? So the electricity is going to flow this way. So 12, and then regardless of which way it flows, we've already calculated that resistance is 6. So in a series, resistance to the total is resistance equals to R1 plus R2, etc. So what we're going to do, the total resistance is 12 plus 6. This gives us 18. So 18 ohms. Now we just plug it into the formula. So V equals IR. V, it gives us 15. I, we're trying to solve or verify. And R is 18. So here we divide by 18, divide by 18. So now 15 divided by 18 gives us 0.83 amps equals the current. So the most important thing here is to just figure out the resistance in parallel. What does that give you? And in this case, it gives you 6. And add it to the resistance that's in series. And then that's how you get 18.